This is Karen Ranzi of Feel Fabulous with Food, and I would like to welcome you to my 9th Love Raw Food and Yoga Retreat in the paradise of Costa Rica. Take a look at the pictures and videos following, and after that, if you are super interested, look down below in the description and click on the landing page for the Love Raw Food and Yoga Retreat. Delicious tropical fruit. And raw food cuisine. Beautiful wildlife. A fabulous national park. A variety of raw food dishes. Warm water beaches. Raw food coaching and new friends. Great Costa Rica travel and luxury accommodations. Healing activities and yoga. And some of the most beautiful beaches in the world. Magnificent waterfalls and stunning sunsets.
My name is Sybil Shelton Ford, and I want to tell you a little bit about my experience with Karen Ranzi's Raw Food and Yoga Retreat this past February in Costa Rica. So it was the first time I've ever been to Costa Rica, and it was a great first experience. The group of people that we were with were like, we just had this amazing synergy, which was great. The food was wonderful. That's the first time I've ever been fully raw for 8 days. And I was really concerned that I would miss the cooked food because I am high raw, but not fully raw. And I didn't, which was kind of shocked me. So I learned a lot about myself that I could do this. And so I have mostly been doing it since I've been back. I would still say I'm high raw, but I'm probably, before I was like 70-30. 70% raw, 30% cooked, and now I'm probably more like 90% raw, 10% cooked, and I still feel really, really good. The activities, the hiking, that was amazing. Things kept moving. The coaching sessions were great. Karen is just so knowledgeable and really put her heart into this retreat. I would definitely do it again, and I highly recommend if people are wanting to experience a fully raw food. When I say raw, I'm talking about raw vegan now. A fully raw vegan retreat with yoga. We had people that came in and do massages. We had ecstatic dance, like all this really cool stuff. I would highly recommend it.
I'm Joya from North Carolina.
And I'm Diana from New York. We both participant of a beautiful raw food and yoga retreat, and it was absolutely fabulous. The picturesque setting was just breathtaking. The food was so tastefully amazing. For myself, first time eating raw food in totality. The whole week was wonderful. It made such a difference in my life, and I'm coming back home with so much information. The coaching from Karen, learning how to cook, not cook the raw food, but definitely enjoy it and prepare it. And so I am looking forward to coming back.
We did yoga in a beautiful space, and Karen she organized adventures, waterfalls and beaches and farmers markets, and just the whole week was spectacular. We both highly recommend you looking into Karen Ranzi's Love Raw Retreat. Don't miss it next year. It will be fabulous.
My name's Fred Mushcat. My wife, Kat, and I just returned from Karen's most recent raw food and yoga retreat. We've been going to her retreats for several years now, and I just wanted to make some comments about this most recent retreat. First of all the places that we've been, all the raw food retreats that we've been to, the food was the best at this one that we've experienced. The food was truly extraordinary. The events that Karen set up through this included yoga, which was done by an excellent instructor. We had numerous outings to Dominical Beach, which was nearby, the State National Park, where you could see monkeys, raccoons, all sorts of amazing creatures. I would suggest that anybody who's interested in finding out about what it's like to eat a raw food diet, come to one of these retreats and spend a week eating this type of diet. I think that you'll be surprised at how much better you'll feel and how your general overall well-being will improve. I highly recommend this retreat to everyone who's interested in this type of lifestyle, whether they're experienced or whether they just want to learn about it. So thank you, Karen. It was a great retreat.
If this all sounded fantastic to you, if you are excited to see the beautiful ecological country of Costa Rica with a group of health-conscious foodies, then please look below in the description, click on the link to the landing page, and set up a time to meet with me so that you can ask all of your questions about the Love Raw Food and Yoga Retreat in Costa Rica.